All right, so here's the thing about YouTube people don't realize is it's literally like Hollywood, okay? It's getting worse. So there's a lot of YouTubers that know how to almost clout chase is what I would call it. They know how to work their way up the ladder based on just being almost a two-face. And so what people don't realize is you need to know how to work the game if you are gonna become a big YouTuber. You need to know who to look out for. So here's some tips I have for you. The first one is, for me, I don't have a lot of my team members, they don't really have a lot of connections to the outside connectors of those YouTubers. If I know certain YouTubers are fake, I make sure they don't have the connection of prior experience with that person, because to me it's a red flag. The truth is, if there's a YouTuber that I know is really bad when it comes down to treating other people and secretly it gets passed down to the other team members, I'm always worried that information I tell that team member if they work for me will get passed to that person one day. The other thing that I really pay attention to, which is a priority for me, is if someone that you get to know always is talking trash about someone else, or multiple people for that matter, when you never really ask for it, then typically I find that they're most likely talking trash about you or will one day, and that's a red flag. You want to find people that aren't always causing drama. And unfortunately in the YouTube world, if you think about it, there's so much news about celebrity drama, and that's why I'm not really that associated with other YouTubers. If you look at my Instagram, I haven't associated myself with bigger YouTubers, even though I know a lot of them, because to be honest, a lot of that drama is get passed around.